Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will guide you through how to turn off voicemail on iOS 18. So let's get started. As soon as you upgrade your iPhone to iOS 18, live voicemail is enabled by default, but Apple allows you to disable it anytime. It is very easy to disable it, and the steps for this are shown here. Firstly, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Then scroll down to the bottom and tap on the apps option available there. Now tap on phone. Inside phone, simply scroll down and look for the live voicemail option available there and tap on it. Now simply turn off the toggle switch next to the live voicemail and that's it. Now voicemail is successfully disabled in your iOS 18 supported iPhone and the voicemail option that was visible in your phone app has now disappeared. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe and thank you so much for watching.